I'm gonna go get me some Chick-fil-A. I think I'm gonna go get me some Chick-fil-A because I'm bad today. Good morning, guys. So I have an appointment today for Jordan, and I chose this scarf because it has a cross on it. It has a whole bunch of cross on it, and I was just laughing to myself because I was like, whenever time you see a woman with a cross or anything that has to do with religion, do not mess with them. You understand me? Do not mess with them. This says I'm not playing. So anyways, I was just thinking to myself that I just wanted to share something with you guys. So I have an appointment for Jordan, and it's a really important appointment. And I just wanted to say that whenever time you go and look about anything that has to do with your kids and you want people to take you serious, make sure you look presentable, because you don't want to go out there looking any kind of way and then people look at you and be like, I can't really take you serious, you know what I mean? That kind of thing. So yeah. Ooh, no, that was a failure. I'm turning off the lights before I forget, because I'm about to go downstairs, get some breakfast going. I also have to get Miss Maddie dressed, and I have 1,000,001 things to do today. But you know what? I'm not gonna freak out, because guess what? I'm all put together and I'm ready to go. You got deodorant on? Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't open this because I know you need this, and she
do not give her any pudding. She made a mess of the house the other day. Madison, I will give you breakfast. Calm down. I have to go tend to my children. I'm doing Destiny's hair. I have a question for her. She's gonna answer the question for you guys, because I always wonder how, you know, kids that are mixed, how they view themselves. And for the longest time, Destiny struggled with this question, so I'm gonna ask her. Here, hold it.
hold it.
Yeah, hold it out.
Hold it.
So,
I'm holding it out.
Miss Destiny, cause I'm using this stuff on my hair. Remember I told you guys that beeswax is really good for my hair, that my hair loves it. So I found it. Like, I found the actual pure Australian beeswax. So she goes, it's black. I'm like, so I asked her, I said, let me close the door because there's too much noise. So I asked her, I said, what color are you? So you're gonna answer the question? Okay. What color are you?
I'm mixed.
You're mixed? That's not a color.
I know, I asked you.
You asked me what color you are?
Yes, I said, is mix a color?
Is mix a color?
Yes.
Well, yes and no. You are,
Mommy, wait.
He's so rude. You are, I wouldn't say you're 50% Hispanic, and I wouldn't say you're 50% black, because mommy's mixed. My father is a white man, so you can't be 50% black, and you can't be 50% Hispanic either. So you're just a mix. But what do you think you look more like? Do you look more like mommy color? Do you look more like daddy's color? What color do you think you look?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, because I don't see anything.
Okay, so if someone was to ask you what you are, what would you tell them?
I am...
Jaxson, hang on a second.
I am Hispanic and black.
Hispanic and black?
Yes.
But then you're disowning the little bit of Caucasian that's inside of you.
I don't know what you mean by Caucasian.
Just say white people.
Okay.
Because your great grandfather is a white man.
Okay.
So I don't know what to tell you, baby. You're just a blend of everything that mommy and daddy is. And that's what you are. Say, I am beautifully made. That's who I am.
Look, I'm in the shot.
What do you guys tell your kids? If you have kids that are biracial, what do you tell them that they are? Like, what do they identify as? Comment down below, let me know, because I really do want to know, because I don't know what to tell my kid. You know, I identify as a black woman because that's what I look like. I look like a black woman. I don't go around and talk about a mix. I don't do that because people wouldn't believe me because, yeah, my hair is nappy. But it's what it is. And my gosh, guys, I'm loving my hair. Like, this beeswax, this 100% Australian beeswax is like giving me all the life I need to be confident in my own skin, in my body, you know, with my hair. I haven't put heat on Destiny hair in a while, and I'm not going to, because, you know, I need to be the face of what beauty is within my household, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go because I gotta get out of here.
Mommy.
Where's my keys? Put her shoe on. Mommy. And her jacket. We gotta go. Jaxson, you're being rude. You're being 100% rude. What do you need? I'm about to start my car. About to start my car.
No, it wasn't.
Hey.
Mommy, we live in our front door.
So, yeah. Turn off all the lights, please.
I can't walk on this car.
Turn off the Christmas light.
Oh, shit.
The Christmas light. Turn off the Christmas tree. It's off. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. I have a really bad habit. I just finished with Jordan's appointment. Didn't really take long. But I'm about to go home. So yeah. I'm tired and I'm thirsty. And I'm gonna go get me some Chick-fil-A. I think I'm gonna go get me some Chick-fil-A because I'm bad today. Oh gosh, guys, my life is always a struggle. Always a struggle. I have Miss Maddie to get out of the car. I have to clean up my house. Set you guys down. You want to take your jacket off? Okay, take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. Hey guys. So just got home. Hold on, let me tend to Mad. I'll be right back. Lazy, this is laziness. So, oh man. So just got home. I went to the beauty supply store. I couldn't find Maddie's big jacket, so I had to bundle her up with several small jackets. And all right, you want some Cheez-It? Yeah. Say please. Good girl. So I went to the beauty supply store because I need to put my hair back in a protective style, simply because it's really cold and I need to protect my hair because my hair gets dried out really fast. And learning about my hair texture and what it loves and what it doesn't like, it's so amazing. Because hey, relax, I just got in the house. I can't tend to you and myself. Don't do that. Just ruin things. She just ruined the whole headband. Like, look, it's not even a headband anymore. So yeah, so learning about my hair and all that is like so amazing. I went to Walmart and I bought this jacket. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it's just this really long jacket, and I also got another jacket. I'm gonna show you guys what else I got. Hold on. I backed up my car way too close to the house. I couldn't even open the back of my truck. But Madison, why are you hiding? She's hiding. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got some filling. I'm about to make some Christmas pillows, because Christmas pillows are way too expensive for me. So I got 3 fillings. And I got this other sweater. And then I got this really pretty sweater. Oh my word. I love, if you guys can't tell, I love sweater. I love sweater. And I will wear a sweater with no jacket. Like, layer the mess out of my clothing and wear just sweater. So comfortable, so soft. And also, let me take this one off. So this black one, oh, this is just giving me life right now. I love, and then it has a split on the side right here. I just got it in black because I don't think I have a black sweater, but you can layer this and it's so comfortable, so comfortable. I love sweaters and boots. And what else did I get? I got these buffalo check placemat. What I'm gonna do is rip it open because it has the back end. I'm gonna rip it open and stuff it, and that's what's gonna be my Christmas pillows this year. I already tried to pull it apart, so I got 3 of those. Got some tape for wrapping, Christmas wrapping presents. Let me just stay there. And I also have some eyeliner for my brows, and this to fuse. I didn't want to sew. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh, I just finished my hair. Just got in the house. Well, just got in the house. What? I just finished my hair from when I got in the house today. I was just determined to get it done because it's getting cold and I need to protect my my natural hair. So I like braiding my hair for winter time, and I didn't want it too long, so I cut the braids like really short. So now I'm about to go clean up my kitchen because it is a hot mess. Like, there's stuff everywhere. Just all the spaces on my counters are just like taken because the kids had to get their own food. I had to make pizza for my husband for dinner, and I didn't even do what they ate for lunch on today, Tuesday. So, and then my husband is asleep on the couch over there, and I should go through the phone. I don't have to go through his phone, but I like to go through his phone, you know. Every now and then I go through his phone just to make sure, you know, but I don't have to, but I like to, if that makes any sense at all. It's not even the, I wouldn't say it's a trust, it's a trust issue. It's just, I don't know, once you've been bitten, I guess you're more cautious. I don't know. This little one is eating cheese, just randomly eating cheese, and I'm just gonna let her go in the fridge. She knows where her stuff. Cheese? Where is it? Where's the cheese? Is it that bag? Oh, yep. That's it. Yeah, that's the cheese. Oh, why do you get excited for food? You don't know? Okay, thank you. All right, I got it. So, anyways, guys, I know I don't have a lot of footage for vlog. I don't know if I have enough from the previous day to combine. No, that was a night routine or nighttime routine. I didn't put up a vlog on Tuesday today because I was just like too busy to stop to edit or anything. Yeah, so I will catch you guys. If I don't have enough footage, I'll probably combine it with Wednesday's thing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.